Here I have OPPO F9 and let me show you how to clear browser data on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's open the browser right here. And if this is your first time, of course, you have to go through this process. And now if you have the browser opened, let's just use this menu right here. Choose here settings. Let's here find and select the clear data option right here. And here you can clear input data, history, cached web pages, account passcode, cached data, cookies, app call blocking, and location authorization. In my case, let me clear all data. Let's just use this button, clear data, and choose clear selected data. Excellent, so everything went well. Now you can go back and start using your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave a thumbs up under the video.